Number one, and thanks for checking it as we take a look at your national coast-to-coast forecast. I'm meteorologist Todd Nelson. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the weather outlook for New Year's Eve night into New Year's Day morning. And weather conditions nationally looking pretty quiet, maybe a little bit of rain from the mid-Atlantic down through the Gulf Coast states and into Texas. Could actually be mixing in with some snow in the Panhandle there and also through the Colorado Rockies. And then a little bit of snow still ongoing across the Great Lakes region. Temperature-wise will actually be below average across much of the central U.S. and into the western U.S., especially there, will be about 10 to maybe 20 degrees below average. So that's the way it looks on New Year's Day. Winter storm continues, though, for us in the Midwest, the Great Lakes, eventually over to the Northeast. Severe threat fading today as well, which is good news, but some colder and drier conditions over the next few days. So we have that snow ongoing in the Midwest, the high plains, also into the northern New England states through late tonight and tomorrow. Another little impulse of energy working up from the central and southern plains here right through the central U.S. Not quite as intense as the last storm system was, but that'll bring us some snowfall into our Wednesday across portions of the Midwest and also to the Great Lakes region. Then that rain continuing again along the eastern seaboard down to the Gulf Coast states. That's where we expect to see some of the heaviest over the next 5-day time period out near Pensacola, the Florida Panhandle, down to New Orleans, maybe some 2 to 3+ inch amounts. But overall, the central U.S. and the western U.S. looking drier, just little dribs and drabs of precip and snowfall. But again, this snow will be wrapping up over the upper Mississippi Valley and translating into the Great Lakes and the northern New England states through the day today and tonight. 6 to 10 day temperature outlook showing some cooler than average readings across the southern tier of the nation and the Pacific Northwest. Temperature wise, though, today still warm in the southeastern corner of the nation where we could see some showers and thunderstorms, but colder as you head farther west. That's where temperatures are a good 10 to almost 20 degrees below average. But again, today Denver at 21, 14 in Billings, 27 in Minneapolis. That's snow tapering and then pretty warm and a little bit on the wet side through the mid-Atlantic states.